It's been weeks since my summer holiday started. I went for a walk in my local park this morning, but I still feel a bit bored and miss my friends a lot. So, my mom asked me, is there anything that she can cook for me? So, I asked if she can make me Sri Lankan pancakes. I know they taste really yummy. So, today I'm going to tell you how she made them. First, she made the filling. For that, she caramelized sugar. When it turned brown, she added scraped coconut. It smells so good. Next, she moved into making the batter. So for that, in a bowl, she mixed flour with water. Oh, don't forget to add some salt and a little bit of turmeric for color. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, the batter is done. After that, she cooked the batter in a pan. Place caramelized coconut in the middle of the pancake. And roll it up. Ta-da! The pancakes are done. This is Sri Lankan pancakes. Can't wait to taste them. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know if you liked Sri Lankan pancakes. See you in the next video.